How to activate Royal Bank of Scotland credit card online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily activate Royal Bank of Scotland credit card online. So first thing, just head over to your, or simply search in for Bank of Scotland under Royal Bank, and once you search in for that, here you should see such section. So let me just quickly show you what I mean. So just head over to the website called Activate Your Credit Card for Bank of Scotland, and there is a Royal Bank of Scotland, and simply scroll down. And if you like to read all of this article, you can do so as well by simply hovering over here. So if your credit card has a sticker on the front, when it arrives you will need to activate it online, and you can activate it in the mobile banking app or from this page as well. So you will also need to make a chip and pin transaction with your new card before you can start using contactless. So if you want a mobile banking app guide, you can follow the on-screen instruction over here as well. So I'll simply show you from an online form guide as I'm using the online version. So just open the secure online form over here by simply tapping on this activate your card form over here. And once inside here, basically follow the on-screen instructions such as providing your credit card number over here, including your date of birth as well as your expiry date, and simply tapping on the activate button over here. And if you ever have any issue, you can always call on the mentioned phone number over here to contact them regarding your queries to solve any issues as well. So that is it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.